Hi friends, welcome to Technology Basics channel. In this episode, I will discuss about shortcut keys of Windows and Internet. The first shortcut keys is Windows plus M. Windows plus M, which will minimize all the windows at any stage of operation of the system. Now I have opened the MS Word, MS Excel, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Now the four programs are running in the active session, you can see, and I am closing by pressing Windows key plus M key. That's it. While working on the two windows in a screen, alternately, you have hassles to see or copy the data on the other window. For two windows to be fitted on the same screen, we'll be having flexibility to work conveniently. Just open the window and press Windows key plus left arrow key. It will assign semi half screen to left, and press Windows key plus right arrow key. It will assign remaining semi half screen to the right side. You can see the same on the screen. I am opening the MS Word and I am opening the website Wikipedia. So I want to copy the data from Wikipedia. You can copy this one. I have to press Alt tab for the copy paste. Okay, so I want to be both windows to be fitted in one screen. Now I am selecting MS Word and now pressing Windows key plus left arrow. It is assigned to left side of the screen. Again I am opening Mozilla Firefox and now pressing Windows key plus right arrow key. Now it is assigned to remaining right side of the screen. Now you can directly copy the data at any point of the operation of the system. If you want to create a new folder, you can just press the Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Take the control to the desktop. Press Ctrl Shift N. Now it is created a new folder. You can see the new folder. That's it. If you want to open the task manager at any point of the operation of the system, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. You can see on the window, you can see on the screen, it is opened. It will show the performances of the applications running on the active sessions and how much memory it is consuming for processing. During operating of the system, if you want to access the control panel for any programs you want to install or uninstall or configure any of the devices, you just press Windows key plus I. It will go to the control panel option as shown in the screen. You can open by clicking enter also. It's opened. You can have access of the control panel programs you want to do any changes to the options of the system. While operating the system, if you have any privacy issues, or if you want to go outside of the office or outside of the home, or if you want to have the child restrictions to the system, you can directly press the Windows key plus L. Windows key plus L. It will lock the user session. You can see the screen, it is locked. If you want to capture the active screenshot of the screen, you just press the Windows key plus H. Windows key plus H. It will give the option to share the captured screenshot through mail, through OneNote, or through any other application which is supported. While using the system, if you want to search for a file, you need to press If you want to search for a file, you need to press Windows key plus F. Windows key plus F. It will show the option for searching option. I want to search for 9th class folder which is on desktop. You can press search icon. Yeah, now I got the file which I am looking for. While operating the system, if you want to access the taskbar menu or apps on the taskbar, you just need to press Windows key plus T. Now you can see the narration, it is showing File Explorer, and if I press the file and if I press the right arrow key, it will go to right side menu which is Application Store. Now I will press right side arrow key. Now it is showing Cyberlink UCAM. Nowadays people are using mouse for internet browsing and touchscreens for easily accessing on the program menu and programs. So there is a shortcut for every program in the software that is installed in the system. You can just press the Windows key plus R. Windows key plus R. It will show the run command in which we can directly type the command of the program which we want to open. For example, I want to open Windows MS Word. I am typing WinWord. You can see it is open. Again I want to open Excel. It is open. I want to open PowerPoint. The command for PowerPoint is POWER. I entered in the run command and pressing enter. It's open. And I want to open Notepad. And I want to open WordPad. Hope you like the video. Please like, comment and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon for more videos. Thank you.